It feels pretty great being nominated for the Safe Work Award, to receive the recognition for my efforts on a day-to-day, making sure that everybody's maintaining productive workflow and trying to be as safe as possible. I'm always making sure that people are wearing their correct personal protective equipment. I helped with our core certification develop all of our policies and procedures.
Garth deserves the award because he's very involved with everybody. He makes sure that he talks to everybody, he shows us the proper way to do things if we're not doing it right per se. We do a lot of regular checkups on everything to make sure that everything works properly. Daily checkups, actually.
To go the extra mile for safety is just straightforward. First of all, it's our people. Second of all, it's our customers. The workplace is different every single time we pull into a different job. As soon as we pull on site, we do an evaluation of the job at hand. We look for any safety concerns, any issues, obstacles. Things can go pretty sour pretty quick if we don't do those kinds of things. We just want to have a safe work site where everybody can enjoy themselves. We don't have to worry about things happening that we haven't planned for.
All of your protective equipment and your helmets and your high vis and everything, it's just second nature. The safety, it's a no-brainer essentially. Everybody's just always wearing their stuff. It just boils down to, I just want to be able to do my job and not have to worry about anybody getting hurt.